Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly want to stay updated on crucial insights that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of May, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning its score of -2.13. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of -2.6%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.3% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $17.99 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and may indicate the first signs of a shift in trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 32.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -84.18% and -26.64%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -69.92%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to -67.49% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $5.37. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF price down 2.6% on Thursday. The SOXL ETF price declined by 2.6% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, dropping from $16.95 to $16.51. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 5.76%, with a low of $16.48 and a high of $17.43. While the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 20.86% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day, alongside the ETF price, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with ETF trends. On the last day, trading volume fell by 3 million shares, resulting in a total of 143 million shares traded for approximately $2.35 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price reached $7.23. Currently, the price stands at 76.44%, or $53.57, below the 52-week high, and 95.64%, or $361.73, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recent activity surrounding the SOXL exchange-traded fund underscores its noteworthy performance and heightened trading volume, reflecting a bullish sentiment in the semiconductor sector. As of the 21st of May, SOXL was highlighted as a top-performing leveraged exchange-traded fund, indicating a strong upward trajectory that could continue to attract investor attention in the short term. The surge in trading volume over the past 3 months positions SOXL favorably, as investors increasingly favor leveraged exchange-traded funds amid market recovery and positive trade developments, particularly regarding United States-China relations. The announcement of a trade truce has propelled several leveraged exchange-traded funds, including SOXL, as traders capitalize on the volatility of the semiconductor market. In the wake of recent tariff negotiations and Taiwan's cooperative stance with the United States on the semiconductor industry's challenges, SOXL stands to benefit significantly. This could lead to sustained demand for the exchange-traded fund, enhancing its appeal for those seeking amplified returns. In the short term, we may see an influx of investments as market optimism rises. However, the long-term performance will depend on the resolution of trade issues and the consistent growth of the semiconductor sector. Overall, SOXL's current momentum suggests a dynamic market position that warrants close monitoring from both retail and institutional investors alike. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a favorable outlook. Should there be further gains, the ETF is likely to face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $17.88. Conversely, if there is a decline, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $12.90. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and since then, the ETF has declined by 12.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 108 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 200 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $15.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 95 cents, or 5.76%. In the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 6.38%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOX. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOX is at $17.13. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOX encounters its first support level at $15.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point. Anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable and a stop loss has not been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this ETF remains unfavorable. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that SOXL will open higher by approximately 29 cents, starting trading at $16.81. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It's essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.